pictures in a phone. We move into this new big house. It is such a big house for my family. There were what?
Even
with a little boy like me who in the trash.
Trash.
I know.
Truth.
Ay, truth pala.
Truth, katotohanan.
Truth. It is an no.
La.
La.
Bigyan mo ng T.
La.
Asan yung T?
La.
Lat. Lat.
La. That. Not all word. Mother and father said the point of all this work was to move in soon. Where does this box go? I asked my mother. Put in it there, she said, and over there. I did with with all this said my mother. A big brother. He looked into a box. There is an only picture. Ay, all picture.
Mahulog ka dyan.
Picture of me. I found another on picture in a box. There was a long line across the box. There I did not found.
Abama.
From I said my school teacher is in the box, said my sister. Give it back or I will tell mother after. That such a sweet teacher hand. I put it over there. I hear me say, mother, I will put it up on the wall. Wall. It looks kind of nice. There all are family photos. I found me and small. We'll go here. Where are you? Come and help me out, said my sister. Look at me, you.
Yeah.
Where are my
clothes?
Point me to them.
Diba?
Go change your clothes and put on new ones, said my father. But I need more work from you. Where are you? I can see you being
Behind
all the
boxes.
I said.
Okay.
What is sound? I hear a sound, said father. Will someone answer the phone?
Diba?
I bet I have to find it first, and my sister. We all I could not find anything. At first, I look for my book and found it under a box. I did not think it would come to and I thought the word would and first it was a long
Lot.
lot of work to move but in the
In.
moon was a good thing. It turned out well. For us.
Ano yan?
Ano?
Yung tinanong mo nung una sa akin.
Okay? Even.
Even.
Even pala, even. The dog night out. New house at last week. Her in our new house. Ay! New!
Home.
Home. Okay. Home. I and
Learn.
then this I would not move again for the third.
Baba mo. Baka meron.
Meron ba?
Okay, good job.
Namo.